What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are here at Jakes Dragstrip in Alabama. We've got the blue car, of course, but we also have Nick and Chrissy's car that we put the cams in last weekend. We're going to take this car down to Dragstrip. It has been tuned by Rob Shoemaker. They dialed in the tune. Actually, you dialed in the tune the next day after you left the shop.
Yeah.
So the tune's dialed in and ready to go. So we're going to be running this tonight, and we're also going to be running the blue car. I cannot speak, but the blue car. So
I keep getting a lot of questions about what's the dyno numbers. This car's not dyno tuned, it's street tuned.
Yeah.
And going to be track tuned.
It doesn't matter what the guys, you know me. It doesn't matter what the dyno says in my eyes. Dyno is just a tuning tool for me. Just put that out there for you guys. The track is the true test to horsepower and how the car performs. But guys, we're gonna get everything ready and we'll be making some passes here in just a little bit.
What RPM was it?
Like maybe
2,000?
Yeah, maybe.
What's she run?
Ain't telling.
Oh, come on now.
Good. It run good.
It's better than I thought.
Alright guys, so y'all mind?
No.
Okay. Alright guys, we got 719 at 100 mile per hour on foot brake, right? On the foot brake, not trans brake. So just a rundown. If you didn't catch the last video, we were putting the cams in. Go check that video out. I'll put a card up right here. Anyway, guys, this is long tube headers, PMAS cold air intake, Suncoast torque converter. It's got 355 gears in it. It is a performance pack. It's got comp stage 2 NSR cams in it.
E85.
An E85. That's it, guys. That's pretty much all it's done to this car, and it's running pretty good. Now you got some little weight reduction.
Yes.
Got a little weight reduction in there. Took some parts out of his car to put off in here.
Yeah, I dumped the exhaust. I took my exhaust off my car, put on there and dumped the exhaust. The interior speaks for itself.
Yeah. All right, so here you go. Yeah. I mean, just really a raised seat, no seat, and back seats out.
That's it.
That's it.
And the dump exhaust.
All right, guys, we got Boosted931 about to make a hit. Alright guys, we are about to make our first pass. I'm racing a Camaro with a decent amount of stuff done to it. Yeah, he's nowhere near stock. Thank you, sir. All right. 17360, 76 at 93 mile per hour. All right, Jakes Dragstrip is 2780 DA, 78 degrees, 74% humidity. Alright guys, so we're gonna run this car. This is the car I put the cams in. This is, like I said earlier in the video, this is tuned by Rob Shoemaker. We put the cams in it last weekend, as you've seen on the video. And so I'm gonna make a pass in it. I wish it had a stock seat in it, because this is not for me. This is for Nick, and he's taller than I am. But I can still see over the hood. God bless, what a difference. Let me tell you guys, this car, cam, stall, PMAS, air intake, 355 gears over my 315s. Oh man. This thing rolls out, guys. The only car I can compare this to really good is my black car. I would not be surprised if that's not a 6-second pass. My black car felt just as good. So if it's not a 6-second pass, it's a low 7 for damn sure. 5. That's it. All right, 718, like I said, a low 7. Low 7 with a 16560, 718 at 100 mile an hour. I ran within 100 of what they ran earlier. So the car is very consistent. Rob Shoemaker did a hell of a job on the tune. This car felt like it was, and this is foot brake. I did not trans brake it because I wanted a good comparison to let you guys know what I felt between the two cars. All right guys, we are back in the blue car. Chrissy is right up there about to leave on the trans brake. I left foot brake on her car, and let me tell you, I didn't want to leave on trans brake for the main reason I want to be able to tell you guys how the car felt different. And I will tell you, it's a night and day difference. I know there's quite a few parts on that car to lead up to that. I really enjoyed driving that car. Second gear shift. I don't know if you could tell in the video, guys, that second gear shift, she kicked out pretty good. I tell you what, for no more than done to this car, you know, it's 315 gear, catback, E85 tune, and tire. That's it. That's all it's done in this car. So it's basically, you take a bone stock car off the showroom floor, you stick an E85 tune in it, stick some tire on it, and a catback, and it runs what it does. For 315 gears, come on guys, that was unheard of back in the day. Let's see what we done.
731.
Thank you. This car is so damn consistent. I went a 17360, exact same I did earlier, 93.8 mile per hour with a 760. I went a 760 a while ago. Like guys, this car is dead on consistent. You got to give it that. Think I'm gonna take the air filter out and see if that helps. probably gonna be our final pass. I've got the air filter out just to see if it helps tonight. Woo, that felt good. That felt really good. Thank you, sir. All right. So, yep, there we go. 16960. 752 with a 94.4. So taking the air filter out did help me. I ran two 7.6s with 93 mile an hour, ran a 752 at 94 mile per hour with a 16960. So picked up a little bit on the 60 foot. All right, guys, so we had a successful night out here. Got my best 60 foot out here. That I gotta go back and watch the footage, because that's the best that car has ever felt off the line, and I knew I had a pretty good 60 and confirmed it when we went and got the thing. But RJ, it's part of drag racing, man. RJ's trans brake messed up, so.
First pass was good, it just spun a lot. And then second pass, trans brake broke on us.
Man.
She'll be back soon.
Nick? So, first trans brake pass, it bounced a lot. You stiffened up the shocks.
Yeah, I basically, I shifted them up, and then I was like, go another click. So I did, I went another click, and then I bounced on the back to reset the shocks and stuff, and she was good to go.
So we got a 7.0 with a 15560 at 100 mile an hour and 2400 EA.
Yes, at 4500 trans brake.
4500 on the trans brake.
Go 55, and it's spun.
So your previous best before the converter, before the cams, in 1400 EA, which was in October, so a lot cooler.
Yeah.
You ran a 733. So I would say the cams and that stall, man, it picked you up.
I'm gonna say it. I mean, you can criticize it, whatever, but I'm gonna say both of them together is good for 5/10. At least.
I tell you what, I drove it, and let me tell you, that thing moves.
Yeah.
That thing just it moves out.
And I'm on a 18 manifold too. I'm not on the Cobras yet.
But the 18 manifold's ported, right?
Yes, Brett Barber. Yeah, it helps, especially when the air gets colder. It's going to help out too. So
yeah,
I think it'll shave off a couple more tenths when the air gets cooler.
Definitely.
Never know. Also didn't mention that the car's got the Brembo brakes and all that stuff on the front.
Yeah. So I mean, you could go race brakes on the front. You could do a lot of things to make that car faster.
Yeah, I could drop another K-member brakes and all that stuff. I could drop 150 no problem. 100 pounds is good for another 10th.
Yeah,
know? So yeah, it ain't no problem.
Man, those cams, they're well worth it.
Yeah, I'm happy.
They're well worth it, man. That's
two beasts now. They're wicked.
Well, they get the driver. At least get the driver.
Yeah, we'll get the driver in here. She says no. She says no. She doesn't want to be on film. So, little man right there. What's going on? This is RJ's little one. You gonna say hi?
Hi.
There you go. What kind of car are you gonna get when you get older? A Fox body? What kind of motors are you gonna put in it?
I have no idea.
Say Ford.
Coyote.
LS.
Say Coyote.
No, Ford.
Coyote.
There you go, Coyote. That's my man.
Hey,
my man.
He ain't listening to me. We're going for it eventually, trust me.
There you go. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Go check out Boosted931.
That thumbs up, guys.
Go check out Boosted931. Go check out Nickel White S550. Both of their links will be down in the description to subscribe to their channels. Go check them out. He's got a wicked Fox body. He's got an S550 they were fixing to put some boost on.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You'll see that.
Whipple.
You'll see that on my channel. We're gonna put some boost on that thing.
Nova will be done, so you can come down.
The Nova's gonna be done soon.
I think next week.
Uh-oh.
Yes.
I gotta come get a video on that.
It's gonna be painted. It's gonna have the new wheels on it, and the motor's actually being built right now. 416 LSX will be twin turbos, twin 67s.
Ooh.
Transmission I should have back next month. Built for a lady. It's gonna be fun.
Uh-oh, guys. Anyway, guys, you know it'll be on my channel. It'll be on his channel. Come check us out, and we'll see you next time.